I came back to physics I think in the fourth week,
Right.
third or fourth week. But by that time midterms were already on my head.
Wait, which courses do you have? That's when you remember. Yeah,
Yeah,
thermal physics, I'm assuming.
I had thermal physics,
Okay.
I had oscillation waves and optics, I had mathematical physics 2
God damn.
and mathematical physics 1 as well, because I sort of got confused in the beginning. I took my course at the wrong time, so I had to do mathematical physics right now. So I had that as well. And one more I had.
Yeah, God damn.
I think
All the
maybe
courses.
just and a lab course, of course. And lab course. So 5 integral core physics courses there were. Apart from that, there were I think 1 or 2 FCs.
कितने courses लोगे सर? 5 हो गए.
You see, it happened because I did not do MP1 at the right time.
Yeah.
The mathematical physics one, if I would have done it at the right time, I didn't have to do. I could have survived 4 courses.
Yeah.
But because I missed it and people were not giving me waivers for
you
MP1,
had to do it
so I had to do
simultaneously.
this. I had to do it. I was sort of forced to do it at that time.
That's insane.
And it became so many courses, 6-7 courses, and I'm entering the subject right during the midterm time. My midterm were destroyed. I mean, you won't believe that some professors actually called me to their office and they asked me, Kushal, are you sure you want to do physics? And I was like, hey, why are you asking that? Like, that's such a demotivating question to ask. I have went to them to ask. I mailed a few professors asking, can you help me with the subject? I'm not understanding it. I'm getting low marks and can you help me? And office ask kind of a thing. And I'm going to them to understand the concept. And they ask me, are you sure you want to do this subject? I was like, shit, that's very harsh. And like,
You remember the professor?
yeah, basically the O professor and all of that only. But 2-3 professors said the same thing. Are you sure you want to do this?
One is worse, 2, 3.
And I was like, shit, man. And they were like, there's not much that you can do right now that you have missed so much of the course. The most you can do is go through the notes and see what happens, kind of a thing. But eventually, I think that semester I lost because I wasn't understanding anything in the class. I was confused. How the hell do I catch up? Do I read the book? Do I watch all the lectures again?
Go through the notes.
Do I go through the notes?
Practice bhi to karna hai.
Do I practice? मैं करूँ तो करूँ क्या यार? How do I catch up? If I watch the previous lectures, I will miss up on the new lectures. They are also being uploaded. A little bit of online time was there, a little bit of offline time was there. If I watch the new lectures, they are anyways not making sense because I don't know the old stuff.
Yeah.
कि साला वो ओमेगा आया कहाँ से? So I'm not understanding anything. Assignment came, I can't solve shit in the assignment क्योंकि lecture नहीं देखे. एग्जाम आ गया सर पे, जब तक असाइनमेंट हुआ, जब तक फिर आई वाज लाइक लेट्स डू ऑल द असाइनमेंट्स, मे बी आई अंडरस्टैंड समथिंग. असाइनमेंट हो नहीं रहे हैं. जब तक जैसे तैसे करके एक असाइनमेंट सॉल्व हुआ, 6 में से 1 हुआ तो एग्जाम आ गया. एंड आई वाज लाइक यार करें तो करेंगे क्या, लाइक हाउ डू आई कैच अप नाउ?
And that was the semester when you dipped down as well habits wise.
आई डिप डाउन, आई लॉस्ट. आई वाज लाइक डूड, पढ़ाई हो नहीं रही है, खेल कूद छूट गया मेरा, खाना आई मीटिंग 1 meal a day. It's been weeks that I've had 1 meal a day kind of a thing. And नींद भी जो है कभी हो रही है कभी नहीं हो रही है. 4, 5, 8 बजे सुबह सोने जा रहे हैं, क्लासेस मिस हो रही हैं, फिर क्लासेस मिस हो गई. और भाई मेरे को समझ में नहीं आया कि मैं पढ़ूँ कब. व्हेन एम आई सपोज टू डू असाइनमेंट? स्पोर्ट्स छूट गया भाई. मैं आई एम कमिंग फ्रॉम अ बैकग्राउंड वेयर आई एम सॉर्ट ऑफ क्रेजी अबाउट डूइंग स्पोर्ट्स एंड अबाउट हेल्थ.
बस सब कुछ छूट गया.
और वो सब कहाँ आ गया मेरा? सो बिकॉज ऑफ दैट अदर दिमाग में चल रहा था कि यार सब कुछ छूट गया यार.
चौथा सेमेस्टर घर पर ही कर रहा था?
नहीं, इट वाज हियर, एवरीथिंग वाज हियर.
क्लासेस ऑनलाइन थी?
क्लासेस थोड़ी बहुत ऑनलाइन थी बिकॉज ऑफ wave 3 का fear, but most of them were offline back then. I was like यार सब करूँ तो करूँ क्या अब?
तो करा क्या तूने फिर? How did you bounce back? Because that is, भाई, I don't even know. Like if I'm in that situation, I really honestly wouldn't know what I would do. That's such a horrible situation to be in.
Yeah, and I mean like there was a time when, like I'm saying that when there are only 300-400 people on campus, it happened that this Rasanan wala people, Dhaba people, they know us by name now.
हाँ.
बिकॉज हम उनके साथ तब थे जब कोई भी और नहीं था कैंपस में. सो कई बार साथ में बैठ के, दे डोंट हैव एनी कस्टमर, वी डोंट हैव एनी फ्रेंड्स अराउंड, तो हम साथ में बैठ के खा रहे हैं. मैंने और ढाबा वाले भैया कितनी बार साथ में बैठ के खाना खाया है, रसान के साथ कितनी बार साथ में बैठ के. सो वो लोग काफ़ी क्लोज थे, ऑल ऑफ अस, ऑफ द मेनी, सो मेनी ऑफ द हाउस कीपिंग पीपल एंड सिक्योरिटी पीपल, दे नो अस बाय नेम. एंड यार कितनी बार ऐसा हुआ कि आई एम जस्ट वॉकिंग अराउंड एंड द Rasanan wala Samandar Dada, we used to call him, the guy, the old guy who owns Rasanan. He would call कि कुशल come here. यार ये तू इतना स्ट्रेस्ड क्यों लग रहा है? आपको दिख रहा है मतलब मेरी शक्ल पे कि मैं स्ट्रेस्ड हूँ. It came to that situation,
right,
where it was visible on our faces कि यार मैं स्ट्रेस्ड हूँ, मेरी आंखें काली, जो भी हो रहा है करके kind of a thing. That semester I messed up big time. I think I got some 2.8, 2.9
GPA.
GPA वाला somehow कर करके मैंने manage किया. For some reason I think I became a big topic of gossip
Among the students and all.
among students is okay, among even the department, मतलब PhDs और professors के बीच में कि यार ये एक अकेला बंदा है जो भयानक फेल होता है,
फिर भी करता है.
जो भयानक क्लास को कुछ समझ में नहीं आया इसका क्या करें. Like, you know, when someone is failing miserably, they're always the hot gossips.
Right.
When someone is successful, they're not the gossips at all. Unless that person starts failing. And that's when they become the gossip.
Yeah.
कि भाई ये बंदा, and then उसके बारे में तुम्हें सारी प्रॉब्लम दिखेंगी कि इसका दोस्त वो था इसलिए ये खराब हो गया, इसकी ये आदत थी इसलिए खराब हो गया ये. So I became a big gossip topic in the department, I think.
What'd you find out?
यार
दोस्त बता रहे थे?
नहीं, दोस्त वो बहुत एविडेंट था.
अच्छा.
We are sitting in the mess and I passed by the mess and they are talking about something, but the moment I pass उनका topic change हो जाता था कई बार, and I could hear.
I feel like it's school all over again.
Yeah, exactly, like it became very evident.
Yeah.
कि मैंने किसी एक को कुछ क्वेश्चन पूछा and then the other person would know कि मैंने इतना बेसिक क्वेश्चन पूछा, and I was like shit यार ये तो मैंने आपसे पूछा नहीं, I asked this question to someone else and they must have told the other person कि यार ये बंदा इतना बेसिक क्वेश्चन के साथ मेरे पास आ गया, and now the entire department knows कि मुझे तो बेसिक भी नहीं आता है कुछ भी. It's the end of the course, मुझे तो A+ भी करना नहीं आता है अभी. So I became a big sort of gossip and all of it combined became a bit difficult for me. No one was showing it on my face, of course. People are very gentle, people were sort of calm and composed, so they weren't like, you know, pushing me around. But it was sort of a little bit evident कि है यार, मतलब, you know, they don't think I don't have a good reputation anymore. I'm not thought of as a, you know, not in the good books of the department at all. And ये फाइनल एग्जाम के टाइम पे हम लोग 2-3 लोग साथ में बैठे थे एंड ऐसा था कि यार इन दैट कोर्स द एग्जाम के फाइनल एग्जाम के टाइम पे देयर वाज अ ओपन बुक. Not everyone, there was one book in the class which was kept open in the front desk. It's not an open book for everyone, but if you want to use, one of you can get up, look at the notes and come back.
Okay.
In that sense, open book exam. तो थोड़ा बहुत हम सब लोग जा रहे थे, देख के वापस आए, सब कुछ हुआ. इन द एंड एग्जाम के एंड में ऐसा हुआ कि यार हम 3-4 लोग के आंसर्स एक जैसे थे.
हाँ.
कि भाई सही सेम जगह से देखा, या हो सकता है इधर जैसे थोड़ा देख लिया, कुछ कम्युनिकेशन का भी फ्लो हो गया, कुछ हो गया, तो कुछ आंसर लोग के आंसर सेम जैसे थे और कुछ लोग की मिस्टेक्स भी एक जैसी थी.
Okay, then now that's suspicious.
Now that's suspicious. And that was with the entire class. Not just me, the entire class.
Right. So like 5 kids.
Not 5, 15, 20, all of us. The entire class, like, not सबकी प्रॉब्लम सेम नहीं थी. But in small groups who were sitting down, उन सबके साथ सेम था कि यार सबके सॉल्यूशन सेम, सबके wrong solutions भी सेम. So stuff like that was happening in the class, and it was a very sort of a lenient class. Like, you know, जो invigilator was quite lenient and they weren't like, you know, that strict.
Right.
You know, no one would look around, not like that. Like, quite chill. So all of us took advantage of that.
Right. Clearly.
But now, when the professor of the course asked the invigilator, hey, how did the exam go? Were there any particular problems in the course? Were there, you know, was there anyone suspicious? Yeah, that banda took my name. कि यार ये इसने पेल के करा. And then that professor called me. This is the same time that professor actually called both me and my friend Shweta, because we were sitting together and there was one more person, but this invigilator told only both of our names. Everyone in the class was doing the same thing, but because I already had a bad reputation, इनने कहा इसी का नाम ले लो, kind of कि इसकी पहली खराब है, people will expect him to do this kind of thing, उसका नाम ले. यार, now we went over there and professor said कि यार तुम दोनों के आंसर सेम है, जो कि गलत है, और जो गलत आंसर आया है वो भी सेम है.
How is that possible?
तुमने जो वेरिएबल्स यूज करे हैं वो भी सेम है. उसमें हमारी भी बेवकूफ़ी थी, लाइक कि तुम वेरिएबल से सब कुछ सेम है, लाइक यू मस्ट हैव, लेकिन ऑल ऑफ अस करके. नाउ प्रोफेसर भी वेरी स्मार्ट, ही कॉल्ड मी सेपरेटली and he called Shweta separately first, and he was like, you know, we have found all of this, you must say that you guys have done fishy things.
Who would rat out first?
You have to say it and kind of think, I'll give you this, I'll do this, all of that karke. I don't know what happened. I was not there in the room. They were talking to her in sort of confidentially. Then they sent her back out and they called me in and they said
the same thing probably.
No. They said, professor said, Shweta has accepted that you were the cheaters. Do you accept this crime as well?
Dude, that's some devious shit.
Yeah. And मैंने कहा shit यार, मतलब मैंने कहा ये कैसे हो गया, मतलब यार I didn't expect that.
Yeah.
बट आई स्टेड ऑन माय कमिटमेंट. आई सेड नो.
Hmm.
हमने नहीं किया कुछ भी.
Yeah.
और मैंने कहा जो भी हुआ है that's not limited to the applicable to the entire classroom. Whatever the classroom did, whatever the normal was, that's exactly what we did.
Yeah.
Nothing more, nothing less. So in the end, Professor kept on saying, you see, we have found that that other person also accepted
Mm-hmm.
कि you were involved in the fishy thing. Now you have to accept it. You must say it कर करके.
Right.
Ultimately, उन्होंने कहा चल we'll figure out what happens after this. Now you go. I did not accept. I came out. I realized that Shweta has also not accepted that.
Uh-huh.
That was a proper devious plan
Yeah.
for them to make me say it.
हाँ. So they lied.
दूसरे बंदे ने तो गिव अप कर दिया, तुम भी बोल दो, kind of a thing.
They've already given you up.
Yeah,
So you get
exactly.
the truth or you face music.
Exactly, yeah.
Yeah.
So यार now हमने कहा कि ये तो बहुत गेम खो गया अपने साथ. Like जी बच गए. Both of us didn't declare anything.
Yeah.
बच गए. We came out and the professor mailed us saying that I'm cutting whatever marks you get, you're gonna get 50% of that. I'm cutting 50% of your grade.
Shit.
यार हम लोग पहले ही जैसे तैसे पास हो रहे थे और 50% और चला गया.
We were bordering failing though.
borderline हो गए थे, ऑन द एज आ गए थे. बट दिस इज MP2 कोर्स. दिस इज द टाइम वेयर ऐसे ही मैं कोर्स में फेल हो रहा था हर जगहों पे. मतलब एकदम ही 12 बज रही थी
And then yeah.
और फिर एक और 50% का मुझे से एक कोर्स में आने की उम्मीद थी, वो भी चला गया. उसी टाइम पे MP1 में ये हुआ कि क्योंकि मेरे आई हैड ऑल दीज MP2 4 5 फिजिक्स कोर्सेज के एग्जाम्स, ऑल ऑफ देम टुगेदर. आई हैड MP1 आल्सो. गिवन दैट द अदर कोर्सेज आर सीनियर कोर्सेज, आई हैड टू सीनियर लेवल कोर्सेज, आई हैड टू प्रिपेयर अ बिट मोर फॉर देम.
Yeah.
मैंने उन पे ज़्यादा फोकस किया, MP1 पे कम फोकस किया.
Uh-huh.
I had 2-3 exams on the same date, given the so many courses, that I reached MP1 classroom थोड़ा एग्जाम के टाइम में थोड़ा सा लेट हो गया था मैं. और इतना दिमाग में चल रहा था, मुझे कुछ समझ में नहीं आया. मैंने पेपर जैसे करके मैं निकला वहाँ से क्योंकि अगला एग्जाम स्टार्ट हो रहा था.
हाँ.
And I ended up getting 30 marks for that. 30, 33 marks, 30, 35 marks for the exam. MP1.
Out of?
100. Which is a junior level course, जिसमें मुझे 35 marks
Yeah,
आए.
which first year's take.
First year stake, exactly. And I was in my second day doing the course, और मुझे फिर भी कम marks आए.
हाँ.
Now the professor said कि यार जिन लोगों के कम मार्क्स आए हैं, you have the chance of re-giving the test. मैंने कहा ये तो अच्छा चांस है अपन को, I can do this. At that time I had 5 other courses to prepare for. I could not prepare this time. I'll work on just your course and I'm gonna do well. I said yeah, I wanted to give the retest exam. I gave the retest exam and I got 100 on 100.
Holy shit.
I got full marks in that exam. Then I saw when they released the grades, I saw my grades कि यार grades तो मुझे जो है वो कुछ 64-65 marks दिए हैं.
Like MP1 man.
MP1 में I said I scored 100 on 100 in the final exam.
Yeah.
But you have put it 65, 64. And they said कि हाँ, that's because now that you've got 100 marks, we cannot give you 100. We are going to average it out for you. The last time you got 30, this time you got 100 on 100. So, which makes it 65.
Upon 2 or something. That doesn't make any sense.
That doesn't make any sense. I mean, like, why did you took a retest?
That's like taking 2 tests for MP1.
And giving me the average marks.
Yeah.
Why is it unfair? Is because everyone else, those people who gave the retest, who got say 90 marks, got 90 in the transcript. कि भाई इसके 90 marks आए थे final exam में. Those who got 75, 85, 95, all of them got that exact marks. कि भाई इन्हें retest में इतना दिया, इनको इतना marks मिला है. These are their marks.
Yeah, not
but
that
because I got 100, they were like कि we can't give anyone 100. Like it's not fair that you get 100. कुछ भी लॉजिक लगा के उन्होंने मुझे 30 + 100/2 को मुझे एवरेज मार्क्स दे दिए दोनों के कि यू गेट 65 मार्क्स. आई सेड व्हाट द हेल. एंड देन आई ट्राई टू से टू द प्रोफेसर कि दिस इज अनफेयर आई थिंक. और उन्होंने मुझ पे ही चिल्ला दिया कि नो.
He shouted at you.
He shouted कि यार हाउ कैन यू, व्हाट आर यू beggar of what are you asking for marks. As the same shameless attitude of a student, how can you ask for more marks and this and that. और मैं और टेंस हो गया. मैंने कहा वैसे डिपार्टमेंट की रेपुटेशन अच्छी नहीं है.
And then
this professor is gonna go out and tell people कि I was whatever. And this semester was quite messed up for me. A lot of things happening, everything going down the way. और यार उसी सेमेस्टर मैं जैसे तैसे करके एक जो चीज़ थोड़ी सी अच्छी थी, that was a little bit about yeah, I think this happened next semester not, but usually even in the lab कुछ equipment ख़राब हो गया तो हमारे ऊपर नाम आ जाता था कि ये इसने करा है भाई. ये तो ऐसे करके बहुत अजीब सी चीज़ें. somehow I survived it. Somehow I went through it. जैसे रो तो के मर तड़के he survived it. Next semester came. I said now the starts the third year. the statistical mechanics, quantum mechanics course. I said, ये ऐसा नहीं जाने देंगे यार, इसको थोड़ा better करेंगे. From the beginning itself, I stayed on the track.
Mm-hmm.
I tried to study. I gave all the exam, and that semester went quite well. I also got a dean's list that semester.
3.65 and above.
3.65 or 3.7, something like that I got. So
That to a physics major, not econ. I'm kidding, econ majors. Yes.
But essentially, I think, after that was like the downside. I've never been so down in my life. I mean, also, I've only lived for like 20 years. But even among this that tiny amount of life, this particular year, this particular semester was like the worst that I have been in at least 20 years. So I think that after that time, I worked a hell lot on my competition skills. I worked a hell lot on, trying to solve some problems, making good relations with the professors. Did some summer projects over here, did a summer semester to get my course load down. All of that kind of thing happened, and it worked out well.